Good day everyone. In this video, we will add users of One Identity Safeguard for Privileged Passwords or SPP through directory user groups. Take note, for this configuration, a directory should be configured for use. Let's first log into SPP, and after logging in, head on over to User Management, User Groups. Here we will click on the plus sign and select Directory User Group. Select the directory to use and identify the location within the directory to search. You can leave it at directory root as well. Make sure to check include objects from subcontainers in case there are groups in subcontainers. Type the keyword of the group you want to add and click search. You can then select the group from the result of the search. Then click OK. On the authentication page, select the authentication provider for the users of this group. You can also check require certificate authentication and require secondary authentication as necessary. On the Permissions tab, select the appropriate permissions for the users of this group. If they are to be standard users, you can leave everything unchecked aside for Personal Password Vault. Click OK. You can go to Users and refresh the list to see the users onboarded. These users can now log into SPP using the selected authentication provider. With this, the users from the selected directory group are now added in SPP.